Hi guys, Steve up at the cabin. Just got finished repairing the lawnmower and cutting the lawn on the island over there. Looks good. I also cleaned off the bench. Apparently a bird's been pooping on it, and I went out there, cleaned it off because I want to sit out there later, wait for all the moisture to burn off when the sun comes up a little bit higher. But anyway, we're out in front of the cabin again. I'm going to try to clean out a majority of this crap and take off the front plywood covering the door, and take a look inside and see what's been up for the last year or so since I last boarded it up. Doesn't look like my cheap plywood is holding up too good. It's starting to peel off. All right, let's get to work. I mean, what kind of animals? Well, you have nothing better to do than to rip a window frame out of a house? Incredible. You know, I'd like to clear up something. A couple of my friends were making fun of my pants. There you can see them. They're real down now. But very often you'll see in my videos my pants rolled up real high. And the reason why I do that is first thing I do when I come here is I go out to the stream that the pond lets out into, and I get water for my solar shower, because when I'm done for the day here, I'm usually pretty disgusting. So I take a shower before I leave to get cleaned up, because it's like a 3-4 hour drive on the way home. And you know, if you're sweating and disgusting, you're just not too comfortable. So every morning I go out into the stream, and I don't want to get my pants wet because it's you know, maybe like 5 or 6 and 5 inches deep or so. My boots are waterproof; they're fine. Red Wing boots, very good. And I don't want to get my pants wet, so I roll them up. So I'm trying to make a effort to roll them down after I get the water. All right, let's continue cleaning up. Motion detector thing. Shoe. Now, I don't know what this is, but one of the neighbors told me when they were vandalizing this cabin, they were throwing stuff into the pond, and one of them said they saw a bunch of these brown glass bottles floating in the pond. Now, I don't know what the heck it could be, but I found one. Nothing in it. There was no cap. I don't know what they would put in brown glass bottles like this. If you know, have any idea or guesses, please comment. Blanket. Window sash. Old rake. Molding. Windows. Paneling with the cutout for the light switch. Or maybe it was towards the bottom and that was the outlet. All right, I got a majority of the stuff out. Now there's just like branches, broken wood, leaves. It's a mess. I'll show you. You know, so, ugh. A lot of this stuff is plexiglass, but there is some glass, as you can hear. I think what will work best is what I did in the garage. Get the leaf blower and try to blow out the leaves, which I could just, you know, let it sit on the lawn and rot. I don't care. And I'll leave the garbage that I could get rid of. Let me go get the leaf blower. We'll try that. I just wanted to share with you how the leaves are turning here already, and it's like September 30th. Maybe it's October 1st. Not sure. I think I'll go sit out on the bench for a while. Okay, I got the, so you know I have Ego battery powered tools. Batteries work in all of them. This is the leaf blower, 650 CFM. Well, this thing works great. I used this to blow out all the crap that was in the garage. As if you go back on my videos, this is some of the first ones I did. And what this is really good at, when I get a lot of crap in the bed of the truck, I just climb up there and this blows everything out real good. This is gonna make a mess. So like when I was doing the garage, you know, leftover COVID mask and eye protection, because this is probably gonna make a good mess. You are gonna get a lot of dust clouds between you and me, so just be prepared. So, you know, we'll blow out a majority of it and clean up hopefully the rest that's left. You know, pick it up, throw it in the wheelbarrow, take it out here, and then we'll pop open the door and see what it's like inside. Wow, what a mess. Wow, see what I mean? What a disgusting mess. I got a good chunk of the leaves out. One thing that happens when you do this is all the crap that blows around winds up in your hair, your clothes. So thank God I got the solar shower thing cooking up, because I'm sure I'm really disgusting at this point. All right, I'm gonna try to pick some stuff up. Quicksand, the slip, slide, or sink game. I found a receipt from Walmart that was in there. So it's kind of faded out. I don't have my reading glasses with me, so I'll try to, you know, I'll bring it home. I'll break out the magnifying glass, see if I can get a date off of it to see, but it's got to be, you know, 15 years ago or so. Got some pants. 34 waist, 29 length. I got short legs. 34 waist though. I haven't seen that since I was 20 something. Oh, more receipts from Vitamin World. 2003. 20 years ago. It's funny to think 2003 was 20 years ago. Well, I am covered in this crap. All right, guys. Unfortunately, my battery's kind of low. Don't know what happened there. I have this in the truck, a little bag you put the phone in, and it's supposed to charge it if you just put it in that thing. I don't think it does a very good job, to be honest with you. I'll probably wind up getting a charging cord just to charge up the phone when I'm on my way up here. But I want to save the battery for opening up the door. But I swept, leaf blow, and you can see it's got an indoor-outdoor carpeting. I'll bring you in. It's got this lovely green paint, and got a little ceiling. You know, it's got a little. It's ripped up a little bit right here, and oh, it's concrete underneath there. All right, so this isn't going anywhere. That's good. All right. You know, the siding looks good in here, and it's not rotten because it's not really exposed to the weather. And immeasurably better, right? You know, not that I'm going to be coming, putting chairs out here so I could sip iced tea. You know, I'd rather go sit out on the island, my bench out there, if you could see it. I'll try to zoom in. Here's the bench. All right, so that's the first part of it, is cleaning this up, which is great. It makes me feel so much better that this is relatively clean. So let me go get my drill. We're just gonna pop this open. We're gonna look in just to see what's going on. I haven't been in there in over a year. Nothing's changed. Want to make sure no animals are getting in and out. I guess, I don't know if we'll even be able to tell. All right, let me get my screw gun. We'll check it out. All right, so in interest of saving battery, I took the door off, and it's pretty much as I left it. All right, so you walk in. Not gonna walk too around because the floor, as you can see, is not in great shape. As you can see, somebody ripped off some siding, or paneling, and that's what we saw on the floor. The rot in the front. There's the electric panel. The kitchen is in there. Bathroom straight ahead. Got the stairs that go up, and you can see all the floor busted up over there. Now, you see the fireplace. You see the missing bricks right there where the lights, I just put it. There wasn't that many bricks missing. So I don't know if something's coming in and out of the fireplace, or they just fell from, who knows, storm shaking the building or whatever. That's an interesting foundation down there. Okay. There's a bedroom in there. And there's a bedroom. There's a doorway between the chimney at the fireplace and the stairwell. So, yeah, I'm not going to walk around because I think this is not too sturdy. And if I fall in, nobody's going to come looking for me. This is kind of a mess. But, you know, just like I've said in previous videos, anything can be fixed. Depends on how much money you want to throw at it. Just like garbage everywhere. Spray painting. Get out. I would have liked to have thought that they would have gotten out. All right. Didn't really come prepared to walk around, and I just wanted to look and see if there was any kind of signs of animal life getting in and out. I mean, you could see right there. If anything really wanted to come in here, they certainly could. Okay, guys, thanks for tagging along. We'll see you next week.